Here's one we don't see real often. 1973 Pontiac Ventura. Now, this particular car is a two-owner car. It's original miles on it. The second owner bought this car with 20,000 miles roughly on it. Now it has 60. Since he bought it, he has had one repaint and kind of made it into his own personal show car. It has a 350 underneath the hood. According to the previous owner, it is the original engine that came with it. He had it out, rebuilt. It's got a little cam in it. And if you look at the code on it, it's an XV code engine, which matches up to a 1973 350 that would go along with a manual transmission. And this car does also have a manual transmission in it. So believed to be original. There's no VIN derivatives on it, but coming from the second owner of this car that bought it with 20,000 miles, that's the engine that was in it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, check out the underside of this car, go to uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video there's a link. Just click on it. It's going to take you right there. Check out the still pictures. It's the original vinyl top on this car. It's the original interior. It's a very, very nice, well taken care of car. You can also give us a call, 507-386-1726 if you'd like to inquire on this car. Take a look up and down and you can see how straight this thing is. When it was repainted, very, very, very little body work was done. Car was quite solid. And again, this is the original vinyl top that would have came on this. Of course, lots of times you started to get bubbling or rusting and you wear down in these rear areas. As you can see in this, spotless. The other thing that you would see quite often is water or staining on the rear deck. Not in this car. Very, very nice shape. We'll get around the other side. We'll check out that interior. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car shipped to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email. They'll be happy to help you out with that. Again, you just don't see a lot of these Venturas around. You see a lot of the Novas, of course, but don't see a lot of Pontiac versions, especially one that's got a history of this car. Well known. You know it's original miles, two-owner car. And again, take a look up and down the driver's side of this car. Here in our area where we're at, we had Carcraft Nationals that would be held at the Minnesota State Fairgrounds. When they were around, they actually picked this car out of the huge show that they have up there and did a picture and a write-up on it in Carcraft magazine. I'll have some pictures of that online too, so you can check it out. Now, the one thing that was done under the hood I wanted to tell you, which is an upgrade, he did put a Pertronics igniter on it, which would basically be electronic ignition that replaces the points, FYI. So that's what's been done under the hood. And when we started up, you're going to notice it's got a mild cam to it when he did the rebuild. And this thing sounds amazing. Since it was repainted, he rebuilt the engine. This car has never been out in the rain. Take a look, original door panel and the original strap, but look at the condition that that's in. How many times do we see those come in broken or busted? Headliner was replaced in here. That was only thing that he replaced, and I suppose that was starting to sag or come down. So he did replace the headliner, but dash, all original, of course, except for the steering column mounted tack. But take a look at this interior. This is original cloth and vinyl interior in this one little wear spot up here in the corner. Other than that, I want to show you the back seat here too. Let me just look at this. Did notice there were a couple spots over there. Those may come out with a upholstery cleaner, but overall, just incredible condition for this age of car. Being all original. There is a little manual choke down here. I had it running just a little bit ago. Kind of warm it up so I won't have to use that choke. So we should be all right, but there is a choke there if you need it. There's your miles, 60,034. Little aftermarket gauges he installed. installed down here, and those do work. I don't know if you can see it with the glare in the camera, but they do work. Of course, her shifter, 4-speed on the floor here. This is a power steering, power brake car, FYI. There we go, get her warmed up a little bit. I did pull that choke out just a tad. See how nicely that door closes? Wow. Come around to the back. Great sounding car. This one will turn some heads at your roll-ins. Your car shows you a 10. Riding on American racing like a centerline style wheel. Having an era correct for this car has got a good look. Now I'm going to pause this video a second and let's pop the hood. Once again, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com, and you can check out the engine bay, trunk, interior. Down below this video there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Let's pause this. I want to take a look at the engine bay quick. And alright, look at how nice and tidy this is. Again, code on it matches up with a 73 Pontiac 350 engine paired with a 4-speed manual. Second owner of this car states that's the original engine. Power steering, power brakes. Mild cam to it. You can see how smooth it runs, quiet it is. Very, very nice car. So there you go. 73 Pontiac Ventura 350 4-speed. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Website you can check this out at. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this beauty to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended warranty. Ask your sales associate. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.